Okay, go.
Today, we're microwaving our beers to make them easier to chug. First step is to place it in the microwave. Notice the microwave does not have a dish, because I got it from a dumpster.
Whoops, I spilled some of the beer.
Then we must close the microwave door, and set it to maybe cook or something. We need to do like one of those. You're gonna want to microwave your beer for about 15 seconds. It will be almost boiling. Notice how the beer is in the microwave, exactly where we had planned on it being. But now it's warmer and easier to chug. Bottoms up!